I won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them Tory flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, I might be. It's very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute cause my time is very pricey. Yeah, I be where the bosses be. Judging for my vibe, you can feel it in my energy. Stacking paper steadily.
Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new. And if you are new, please tap that subscribe button and then tap the notification bell so you'll be a part of the notification gang and you will be alerted every time that I post a video. The like definition of bad and bougie on a budget, like I'm giving y'all housewives, you know, real housewives. I just feel so bougie, like yes, I am his wife. Who are you? Yes, I ordered the shrimp with the scallop. Waiter, check please, please. Like, yo, I feel so bougie with it. Back, you know, with another wig review. And, you know, my favorite sweater. If you follow me on Instagram, you know this is like my fave sweater. Like, I wear it a lot. It's just comfy and it's cute. This particular wig is from Amazon. And y'all, let me tell y'all, I feel like it's mixed with human hair because y'all, it's so fleeky. Do not mind the fact that some of my baby hairs are showing. My baby hairs just are really like low, so it was hard. And I actually don't mind the lace either. I did not got to be glued. I just was like, you know what, this is shit popping, let me get it, you know, show them what it is. Okay, so the unit that I have today is from Kryssma wigs. They are a seller on Amazon. They have a ton of different wigs, very affordable, lace front. Some aren't lace front. Like, this is the same seller that I got the pink wig from. If you haven't seen that, just take a look through my videos and you will see the review on that. But this, the parting is much, much, much more natural, so that's definitely a plus. This unit cost a whopping $38, $39. I'm not sure which one, but I know it was around those lines. This color is so pretty. Like, let me get closer. The blonde color is super adorable. It's kind of like not like a white blonde. It's like, it's kind of giving me like ash blonde vibes, just a teeny bit, but it is still blonde. I'm in love with this, you guys. From the seller Kryssma. Honestly, I'm not sure, so if I am saying it wrong, do not come for me because I don't know the correct pronunciation. But yes, it is from them. So when you get your wig, you get it in this cute little bag, and you get their like little business card. And then you get 2 wig caps, which is one that I'm wearing, which is why the part looks so natural. So, about what I did to achieve this. So, I didn't really have to do anything to this unit. I did though. So, I did go ahead and run the flat iron through it, of course, because I just like that sleek, you know, look. Also, I added some powder to the lace because I did not got to be glued. I think I said that already. Glued because I had a wig on like the past couple of nights, and it like snatched some of my baby hairs off because I just slept in it too long or something. I don't know, but I just need a break from got to be. It's like the hold is just extreme, and I think I added too much or something around those lines. Me and got to be are on a break for now at least. Yes, you get these 2 nude wig caps, and basically they're telling you about, you know, what the item you ordered is, like the specs, and then they're telling you about their store on Amazon. It'll tell you that it tells you how to store the wig, safety, how to wash it, and how to detangle it. So that's very helpful for beginners. So I would definitely recommend a beginner to buy wigs if they're into colors and stuff like that. They do have normal colors, but buy their lace fronts because it's like you don't have to do really anything to it, so it makes it easier if you're a beginner. I did not always know about wigs, so yeah, it's a long time coming. This unit is about It says 22, but y'all, it's like 24 on me because I'm a shorty. I'm a little shorty. Guys, the ends are definitely a plus. Like, this is definitely like a replica for 613 bundles. The heck, y'all, look at them ends. What tangles? What tangles? No tangles, baby. What I'm loving the most about this unit so far is just like how it isn't black, but it's like a darker brown, and then it fades into the blonde. That's so freaking pretty to me. Like, yes, come through Kryssma, whatever. Lace on this unit is a ear to ear. It isn't like the 13x4, but it is where my part is ending, so that's how big. You can really part it anywhere. You could even do the half up, half down. I ain't get into all that. I'm just doing a general review. The lace is soft. It's like super soft, so I was like okay. So shedding. So I'm gonna just show you guys. So honestly, that's like nothing. Tangling, I haven't got any tangles yet, and it's literally just on me. So I mean, maybe if I was at a party, like hey, of course I would get some tangling. It's a freaking synthetic unit. So let's stop making shedding and tangling something like super bad, because it's fake hair. So my little opinion on this unit, I say this is a great, like, this is the best blonde unit for beginners. Like, honestly, I didn't have to do anything, you guys. Do I think that you should pick up this unit? Yes, girl, yes. You better go get it, okay, before they be out of stock. Because when I bought this one, it was the last one in stock. But they restock a lot, so I think it happened like the next day. I told y'all this with Yara. Get Amazon Prime. It's only $12.99 a month. $12.99 a month. That's nothing. Just put your debit card on there. You know, it'll renew it every month by itself, but you get tons of items either in 1 day or 2. Certain items qualify for 1 day. If it isn't 1 day, then it is just 2, and 2 is not long, okay? But do Amazon Prime. They have a trial, so if you don't want to keep it, you just cancel it before the next month rolls over, and you will not get charged. Just a quick little disclaimer. This was bought with my own coins. I'm not being sponsored to do this. Guys, just let me know what you think about this unit in the comments, you know. Don't be afraid to ask any questions. I'm open to answering anything. Like I said, there is no stupid questions when it comes to wig. Like, I'm not a wig expert, but there was times when I knew nothing. I taught myself, so ask questions. I don't bite. I promise to God, I do not bite. I am the most friendliest person that you will ever meet. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. And if you guys did enjoy this review, please leave a thumbs up or let me know in the comments. And then go ahead and get you one of these. It will be linked below, like always. And yeah, I love you guys so much. And I will see y'all in the next video. Oh, okay.
As we can see it till the end. Put that spotlight on her face. Spotlight. Put that spotlight on her face. We gon' pipe up and